Lowry. Today we're going to take a look at the Stacked Rock Boulder Fire Pit. Now this is a two rocks stacked on top of each other, and remember these are GFRC boulders, stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. It's the same material used in zoo exhibits and animal habitats. It has the look, the feel, and texture of real rock at about 1/5 the weight. Now this is, it still has weight to it, so it's not a lightweight, but it's about 1/5 of what a real rock would weigh. Two guys could actually carry this in pretty easily if you're trying to set it, or you could use a dolly and transport it too. We do it that way as well. But we have them stacked on top here, a little bit off center on each one of them. You can do it however you want, but they are two separate rocks. We have the gas line running up through and then up through that bottom rock and then connecting into this. You can kind of do it however you want. Now this is a keyed gas flow dial right here, so you use this key so you can kind of control, whoever has the key is the one that controls the gas going to it. So you can see it is a flush mount right here where it goes in and the key goes in, and that's where you would turn your gas on and off. And you see I just turned it off. Or if you want to turn it up all the way, you can do that. We have it all the way up right there. I think a good burning level though is about halfway, especially if it's windy. You don't want to have it too high. You don't want the wind to blow it out either. So, you know, I think that right there is a good, comfortable level for burning. You can turn it all the way up though, and you see the flames are shooting a couple feet up there in the air. I think one of the advantages of this particular fire pit, with setting chairs around, you can put your feet up on it. Just a spot on this bottom rock back here, you can kind of put your feet up on. That one over there, you can kind of set chairs all the way around. You kind of get equal heat all the way around it. Of course, the fire pit brings that ambiance into your area. Everybody likes to stare at fire, just kind of like they do water as well. So we kind of got you covered with the boulders, with the fire, and also the water when we do the fountain. Another advantage I think to this is it's flat enough there. You can maybe put a plate, a couple of glasses, wine glasses, a beer can, whatever your choice beverage is. You can kind of set right there on it. A little spot back here you can kind of set it too. So that's another plus, I think, being flat enough. You can kind of set that on it. Now remember, this GFRC is a mold of a real rock. So as I get with the camera, and I'm going to show you up close, the detail on these rocks is amazing. This is a GFRC's glass fiber reinforced concrete, so that is a concrete product. So if you come out on a cold day and you touch, it's going to be cold. It's going to have that density feel just like a rock would. Right now I'll grab the camera and show you up close. It's a really great fire pit, really, and we could actually go up to 3 high. I think this is the best height, but you could go just one if you want just one level fire pit there, but I think the 2 is about the right height. We could go up to 3 as well, but I think this 2 is going to be the ideal height for your fire pit. So you can kind of see that rock all centered on that other one. You got a little area there, put your feet. You can see that kind of level right there, spot where you could set glasses, things like that. Now I was talking about that detail on that. You can see every crack and crevice that's on that mother rock gets picked up on this. It's an amazing amount of detail on those. And we're using an acid stain for our colors. So it's not a paint, it is a permanent color. You don't have to worry about reapplying it or having it chip off. And as I go around here to the back side, you'll see where that slot is right there where you can control the flame and go out. So you can see it's attractive all around. There is no front or back or side to this particular fire pit. It's equal all the way around.